Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, you will know what I'm going to be doing, right? You know, learning can be boring at times and studying can be a trying experience. Maybe you're doing everything right, treating yourself, always maximizing your time, and make sure your room is well ventilated to aid a good space for your learning, and still feel like you are counting down the number of days for the study period to end. And that's the challenge. How can you make your study not only tolerable but actively fun? And this is a skill many students get to learn when they go to university to study the course of their choice. I mean the course they really love. But in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 tips to make your study actually fun and engaging. Please stay with me, guys. Please watch to the end of the video. I have a bonus for you guys. There's a surprise for you. Please watch to the end of the video. Number 1, study somewhere different. What do I mean by this? You know, study often get boring when you don't get the chance of a scene. Like maybe you're just going from your room to the library and coming back to your room. But outside can be a little bit tricky sometimes, like the sunburn and other external factors that could show up. But you could find a shady spot in a garden or a park. By doing this, it makes the whole process less stressful, as well as making you to be less jealous of the people that get to have fun outside. But if outside isn't an option for you, you could find a quiet space or anywhere in your room, in your house. But I'm not advising bringing your laptop to the bathroom, but you could pick up a book and read in your toilet. Some people learn by association. You could even assign different courses or subjects to different area, and you make sure you study this subject in the designated place. After all, the golden rule of studying is that nothing is silly as far as it helps you learn. Number 2, create posters. Yes, like summarizing. When you're summarizing some concepts on posters, it gives you something different to do, and also to be a bit creative with your design. By doing this, it will be as if you're injecting some fun into your study process. Let's just assume maybe you want to learn about photosynthesis as an example. You design a posters that illustrates how the processes works, and also complete it with drawing and some diagrams that outlines the step-to-step process of photosynthesis. When you complete this, you could hang the posters on the wall of your room or anywhere that is comfortable for you, and you'll be able to absorb the information easily without even realizing the difficult concept. Yeah, it's very good. You should try it. Number 3, pursue lots of hobbies. You might think time spent on your favorite activities is a time wasted when contributing to your studies. Many research even shows that active, stimulating lifestyle tends to improve your cognitive abilities. The time spent in your physical activities, or maybe like playing your favorite musical instrument, learning or speaking foreign language, is beneficial to your brain development and your brain health. So keep it up. Number 4, study in small bursts on each topic. What do I mean by this? Don't try to spend the entire day focusing or studying on just one topic, but you could schedule and allocate not more than 1 hour to a topic, because you will easily get bored. Breaking bigger ones into smaller if necessary. By doing this, it will retain your interest and enthusiasm in reading. Anything becomes dull when you spend too much time on it. So keep the fun element by stopping before you reach that point. Number 5, study with friends. This is one of the best way to turn study into some fun. You know, when studying alone, you could get bored, environment is quiet, maybe probably the content is dry. But when studying with friends, you could laugh together, talk about things that went on in class, and even encourage each other to keep on learning. The trick here is not to get distracted. If you're with a particularly distracted or silly friends, chances are not much you will get it done. But remember, when you're having fun with your friend while studying, it's great. It's great. So as long as you guys are still focusing on study, I told you in the beginning of this video that there's a bonus for you, a surprise. Guess what? We reached 100 subscribers. Thank you guys. This is a milestone for me. I'm thanking you for your support, for your love, for everything, for always watching my video. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.